Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how I make my recipe for 90-second microwave bread and an easy blueberry keto jam. Hey guys, I'm Jennifer Bands and I help home cooks make keto meals that are family friendly and easy to make. So I'm going to start off and make our blueberry jam, and this is definitely keto friendly, only about 1 or 2 carbs per 2 tablespoons for this jam. So we're gonna start off with some whole fresh blueberries. You can also use frozen blueberries. That was a half a cup. And I've got some water and lemon juice. You guys are not gonna believe how easy this is. Let me turn on my heat. Some sweetener. And our secret ingredient for thickening to make it jam-like is xanthan gum. So we're gonna cook this down for about 5 minutes or so. We're gonna let the sweetener and the xanthan gum dissolve. The blueberries are gonna start to pop and release some of the juice, and it's gonna start to thicken up. We're gonna wanna bring it to a boil and then let it simmer for about 5 minutes. And just like that, we've got our blueberry jam. It looks amazing. We're gonna set it aside and let it set up for a little bit longer. Just gonna set it right here, and we're gonna make our 90-second bread. Okay, we've got everything that we need for our 90-second bread, and I want this to be round. You could do square, it doesn't matter. I've got a round ramekin here, and I'm gonna add some butter. And I'm just gonna swirl that around on the inside so it can coat the inside of the ramekin. And now we can add in our dry ingredients. We've got almond flour, baking powder. We're gonna stir that up. Also a pinch of salt and a beaten egg. And if you wanted this to be less eggy tasting, you could use just an egg white. Just 1 egg white is all you need. I did the whole egg. So, just gonna mix this up. That's all there is to that. We can put that in the microwave for 90 seconds. Okay, our 90-second bread is already out of the microwave. So I'm gonna cut it in half with a sharp knife. And you can toast this if you want. You can toast it in a skillet, or you can toast it in a toaster. Okay, let's butter this bread. And then we can put our jelly on top. Can't wait to show you how the jelly looks. A spoonful of the jam, and that looks amazing. Make sure you try both of these recipes, and I will see you guys later. Bye.